Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Chubb Insurance step by step clearly. To register for Chubb Insurance, start by visiting the official Chubb Insurance website. Look for the sign up or register option, usually found at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on that link to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the password criteria. Be sure to confirm your password by re-entering it in the designated field. Next, read and agree to the terms and conditions as well as any privacy policy presented. After agreeing, click on the Continue or Next button to proceed. You may receive a verification email to confirm your email address. Go to your email inbox and look for the verification email from Chubb Insurance. Open the email and click on the verification link inside. Once verified, return to the registration page to complete any additional fields, if necessary. You may be prompted to provide your address and other relevant details. After completing all required fields, review your information to ensure everything is accurate. Click on the Submit button to finalize your registration. You should receive a confirmation message indicating your registration was successful. Now, you can log into your newly created account using your email and password. Explore your account dashboard to manage your insurance options and preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.